How to type faster on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. As you get there, scroll through the menu and select the General option. Over here, scroll down to find Keyboard feature from the menu. Now, go to Text Replacement option, which is a feature that allows you to create shortcuts to automatically expand into longer phrases, sentences, or even emojis, and thus lets you type fast. Then, tap on the plus icon on the top right to add a text replacement. Write your desired phrase and shortcut and tap on Save. You can also keep the slide to type feature enabled, which allows you to type by swiping your fingers across the keys and type faster. You can now try out these features on the keyboard as shown. Following these steps, you can easily type faster on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.